Rolling.
Saan to? Eme. Dito. May pag-ayos na mo. Okay na?
Okay na dito.
Mike.
Rolling na po ba, Derek Tracy? Okay ba? No, parang pala. Okay na po.
Sa ina.
Okay na?
In Verde Creatives, I enhance my technical sides, not only in social media and content creation, but also in technical sides in communicating with the other clients. It also helps me in my professional aspect in terms of meeting clients and other team members or other team from another production.
Verde Creatives taught me to step out of my comfort zone, explore new things, learn new things, and try new things.
Natutunan ko sa Verde Creatives na i-explore yung aking creativity when it comes sa video editing, art card editing, graphics design, and natutunan ko rin na lumabas sa comfort zone ko.
Natutunan ko sa Verde Creatives, before hindi talaga ako marunong mag-edit ng mga videos and art card. But with the help of our FMD, Miss Bems, and my commentaries, ngayon nagagawa ko na siya.
I think what I learned most in being in Verde is how to be confident. I learned to interact more with people, and I think I lessened my fear when it comes to facing cameras.
As a newbie in Verde Creatives, something that I have learned is that sometimes you don't need to wait for the door of opportunity to open for you. Sometimes you need to knock, you need to push it, and you need to open it by yourself.
Isa sa pinakamalaking natutunan ko sa Verde Creatives ay kung paano i-expand ang creativity.
So also in Verde Creatives, I learned how to be flexible, organized, and to meet deadlines in different aspects.
It also helped me gain confidence to interact with other people and be with other people.
Ang Verde Creatives din yung tumulong para ma-boost yung confidence na dating wala ako.
And naboost yung confidence ko na mag-assist ng Verde clients sa mga TV show, magazine, and newspaper na nagagamit ko siya kahit saan man ako magpunta ngayon.
And the things that I learned aside from that is how to be adventurous. Kasi po sa Verde, we do many shoots in different places. So, I get to explore the world. Di naman yung world, pero yung Philippines lang. Pero ayun po.
For you to grow, and I have learned that as a testament since I tapped Miss Bems for me to join Verde. And right now, I'm here growing, not just only as appearances, but also as an individual. And I'm looking forward to learn more and to contribute more.
At matutong mag-isip outside the box. Sa guidance ni Miss Bems, our FMD, mas nakita ko na ang creativity ay hindi lamang visual, kundi pati sa pagbuo ng ideas at kung paano ito mai-present ng maayos, maganda sa mga client.
So, on my overall valuable experience in Verde Creatives, I learned to be more flexible. Naging valuable experience naman ito para sa akin, hindi lang sa technical sides ko, kung hindi para rin sa mga teammates ko. At natutuwa ko mas lalong maging team player sa loob ng Verde Creatives.
And then, I learned to be more adaptable. Kasi no matter how many times we prepare, how many props we try to prepare, there will always be times na nagkakaroon ng problema. So, even by then, dapat po we adapt. We try to be resourceful with whatever is around us. Happy 9th year anniversary, Verde Creatives.
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 Happy 9th year anniversary, Verde Creatives!
Happy 9th year anniversary, Verde Creatives!
Siguro dalawa. Mentoring. A lot of young creatives na dumaan sa Verde Creatives and learn the ropes of public relations and communications. So, isa yon. And pangalawa, syempre, successful public relations ng mga hinawakan ko na brands and personalities nung nakalipas na 9 na taon. Lahat yun fulfilling and meaningful. Simple lang yung vision namin yun. Actually, it's more than 9 years kung tutusin kasi rebranding din kami ng mga kaibigan ko and a very close friend of mine in the past, parang 12 years. Hindi pa Verde yung name niya nun. Simple lang, to have an avenue o magkaroon kami ng isa pang gateway ng aming creative ideas, concepts, and at the same time, mas makagawa pa kami ng mga proyekto na para sa amin makabuluhan and at the same time, yung magtutulak doon sa advocacies namin at that time which is LGBT rights, lalo na sa akin kasi personal ko din yun. My God, sang salita. Game changer. Kasi kilala yung Verde na before when it was starting, no, na yung hawak namin ay politicians o kaya personalities na kilala na. And it evolved, no? Nagbago siya, gumawa ng mga iba't ibang proyekto na hindi namin usually ginagawa. Humawak kami ng mga brands, personalities na hindi ko naman siya core competency, no? Yung talagang hinahawakan ko siya nung matagal na panahon or gamay ko na siya. And surprisingly, ang ganda ng mga outcome and they were all very successful in the end. Kaya para sa akin, game changer siya. Siguro sa pakikitungo sa kliyente, mas maging flexible ka, no? Dahil hindi naman iisa yung uri o pagkatao ng lahat ng kliyente. May mga kliyente na very aggressive, may kliyente na ang laki-laki ng expectations, so dapat kaya mong sabayan lahat yung mga yon, mag-a-adapt ka, no? Doon sa kanilang mga pagkatao, yung mga hinihingi nila. So, that's one. But, yung pagiging genuine is also one na kailangan mo parating ilatag doon sa mga kliyente na kausap mo. You have to cut expectations and I live to the mantra of Verde always na sa lahat ng projects, sa lahat ng brands and personalities, we don't overpromise or I don't overpromise even in the past. But I see to it that I deliver more. I give more than what is expected. Ay, napakalaking role ng authenticity. Mali yung sinasabi nila na ang public relations ay isang pagsisinungaling or fake peddling, no? Ang public relations is you enhance the brand o yung personality based on the core competency na meron na siya. So kung saan siya mahina, hindi mo i-highlight yon, no? Tatapalan mo kung ano yung ibang mga lakas na meron siya, the other strengths, di ba, ng brand or yung personality. So yun yung i-highlight mo, or you humanize that person or that or yung brand na yon, i-hype mo kung ano yung iba pang mga pwede mong ipagmalaki doon sa kampanya mo na ginagawa mo. So, yung mga natutunan ko sa team, ang dami din, no, napaka mayaman yung mga karanasan ko na yon. Kasi itong mga nakaraan na 9 na taon, hindi na ako kumukuha usually nang ang background is purely from journalism or sa public relations. Mas gusto ko yung may grit, may drive, may pagnanasa na matuto sa larangan ng creatives. At yung mga karanasan na yun, nagbukas din sa akin, no, nung mga katotohanan na may yung skills, yung creativity is nasa lahat sa atin. If we want to open it, we want to enhance it, at gusto natin siyang gamitin. So, ang laki noon, no? Ang dami kong na-train, na-expose doon sa media work, PR work, na at the end of the day, at umalis sila, nagamit nila sa mga susunod nilang mga trabaho, mga pinuntahan nila, at fulfilling for them. And they always come back to me, they always check on me even years after, no, thanking me what they have learned in Verde. Yung pressure, automatic yan, no? Especially if yung client matigas ang ulo or mataas yung expectation, sabi ko nga. So, siguro personally, breathe in, breathe out, kasi minsan, di ba, it can get overwhelming. And then, you have to clear your mind before you go back to the client. Then, kausapin mo ulit. Latag ka lang always. Ano yung pwede nyo mapagkasunduan, ano yung kayang gawin, be honest to the client, and then walang masyadong maraming expectation. Like in any relationships, di ba? You have to cut expectations, and then how you deal with them, you try always to meet halfway with the client. Hindi ako masyadong hardcore. Kung ang client may request at kaya, I accommodate, but always the client has to follow kung ano yung nailatag sa kanya na PR campaign para maging mas matagumpay yung kampanya niya, yung ating magiging samahan at yung proyekto na ginagawa namin. Napakalaki niyan kasi 'di ba, yung ating mundo na ating ginagalawan, dapat talaga diverse yung pagtingin, diverse na yung ating pananaw. Hindi na dapat nahuhulma sa dalawang uri ng kasarian lamang at hindi tayo nakakulong doon sa duality of sex or gender or sinasabi nga namin na dalawa lang, no, na nakakahon doon. Dapat mas malawak na yung pagtingin. Hindi lang din isang uri ng lalaki, isang uri ng mga kababaihan na tulad ko. I always say I'm a proud trans woman because I really cross my gender as I grew up. So, in terms of creatives, napakalaki. Kasi kapag walang pressure, walang pagkukulong doon sa tao, kung sino siya at ano siya, mas nailalabas naman niya yung kakayahan niya, abilidad niya, at sino siya. Kasi kung yung tao repress, nakakulong, ay mas lalo namang siyang nagtatago o hindi niya magawa yung mga gusto niyang gawin. So, siguro ngayong Pride Month, sa lahat, hindi lang sa creatives, no? Pero sa lahat ng ginagalawan nating industriya, yung diversity ay dapat maging isang normal na lang siya na usapin at pananaw doon sa pagkuha ng empleyado or pakikitungo doon sa mga katrabaho mo. para nang sa ganon, we can live, no, and we can exist happily and peacefully with everybody else, regardless of their sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. Dahil wala namang inaapi, walang sinasaktan, walang bino-violate, no, at walang pinagbabawal kung ang soji mo ay naiba doon sa pangkaraniwan. Siguro hindi lang bilang entrepreneurs but even the profession that you want, no? So sa lahat ng young LGBT leaders, ang dami na nung tinahak namin kasama ng maraming advocates and activists, no, na nailatag na daan, binuksan na mga daan para sa inyo. Hindi pa man siya ideal, hindi man siya perfect, pero compared to what we used to have before, we have a more tolerant, I should say, dahil di pa naman accepting, no, ang term namin, tolerant society where you can live who you are, you can express who you are, and you can love who you are. So, parati nga namin sinasabi, it's the acceptance and love are the struggles of the LGBT community. So, sa mga kabataan, stay strong, stay courageous, you know, society is very judgmental, they put a lot of barriers, pero hindi dapat yun magpigil, no, sa atin para basagin yung mga yun at makamit natin yung mga mithiin natin, mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Sa lahat ng nakasama ko, nakatrabaho, dumaan sa Verde Creatives at yung mga naging brands at personalidad na nakasama namin sa Verde Creatives, maligayang 9 na taon. Happy 9th year, Verde Creatives!